Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Amapiano or Afrobeat, how to make an Afrobeat in FL25. Very easy. So without wasting time, let's start. I already set my BPM to 90, so let me look for let me just arrange it. Just hear it. Let me bring this down a little bit. It's really okay. So just try and just play with the volume randomly. So let's copy it and paste it now. Let me look for guitar. Let me add a guitar melody. Let's just make something simple. On our chord. Yes, like this. I think this is okay. Let's just do the same thing. Let's just do the same thing. Okay, let me just I just want to use this as one of the bass notes for the melody. So let's come here again. I think I'm loving that. Okay, the same thing. I think this is, then we copy it and paste it. Let's listen. I need something very soft. Let me see if I can change it to a very soft tone. I need a very soft tone. I think I have, let me try this keyboard. I already saved the preset. So when you find a tone that you like, you can easily just come here and save the preset you get. So, but I already saved this already. This, I think this is better. So let me add a string. I think a string should be, add this. I just play around it. Let's try it here. I still don't really. Let me see. I think this is okay now. So let's copy and paste it. Does that. So with that melody, we can start adding our drums. Now I don't want it to be too. I don't want this video to be too long. So I think we have the melody already. So let's start adding our drums. Let's start adding drums. So let me look for a rim shot. Let's increase the velocity. Let's just copy that and move it. All right, let's do that again. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So let's add percussion. Just let's add this wood block. Let's look for conga. Okay, let's listen again. I think that is okay, but let's look for one more conga. Now let's look for a shaker. I'm loving it. Let's say it with the shaker. Sorry. Let's say with the shaker. Now let's add a kick to it. I need a very soft kick. we can add a roll I think there is a roll I can just let's just add this again. Let me add very simple. That's just it. I don't want this video to be too long. And after you have done everything here, so to arrange it, you can just come here. Let me remove it here again. So you just come here, you left click and you split by channel. When you split it, you split everything, all the arrangement. So you just drag it one by one. Let me add this up. Just drag it one by one is the chord. Just drag it and you arrange. Now the rim shot, no. So that's that. Very easy. Very easy. Just drag it. And here you have it. You can now arrange it. So that's that for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, peace out.